58. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Johnson County in north-central Texas, southeastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, northwestern Ellis County in north-central Texas, southwestern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Mansfield, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Burleson, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Cleburne, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Kennedale, Everman, Keene, Joshua, and Hutchins. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows,